Good morning, PS17. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, December 14th, 2015. This is our second video in what we are hoping is a really great communication tool for you to get to know what's happening at PS17, which is in Long Island City, Queens, New York. I am the proud principal of PS17, Miss Rebecca Hayward. So today I'm going to give you a couple of updates, mostly focused on what your children are learning in both reading and writing and some basic ways you can support this work at home. Our kindergarten students are in a superpower readers unit. They are reading words in a snap. They are trying to use their finger to point to words. Again, you can support this work at home by reading to your child every single night and going over basic sight words. They are also writing small moment stories, which are stories that really happen to them. At this point in the year, they should be trying to write simple sentences, which include some of that sight word work that they're doing in reading. Our first graders are engaged in both a nonfiction reading unit and a nonfiction writing unit. You can support this work by taking out some of those nonfiction books from the library and also reading that Scholastic News, which is filled with nonfiction texts. They are writing about a topic that they know really well. It is called an all about unit. Our second graders are engaged in both fiction reading and fiction writing. They are reading fiction stories and they are writing stories of their own. Our third graders are in a nonfiction reading unit. They are using the concept of adaptations and frogs to help them with third grade nonfiction reading skills. Third graders are writing literary essays, which means they are writing about a book that they are reading as a class. Okay, they are writing about a book, and there might be a question related to the character or a problem and solution in the story. Our fourth graders are in a nonfiction reading unit, and they are using the ideas about Native Americans to get really good at fourth grade nonfiction reading skills. They are also in writing historical fiction pieces. So these are stories, however, they are stories based on something that happened in history, so there's some facts in there. So they have to learn a lot about a topic in history. Our fifth graders are in a nonfiction reading unit using biodiversity as a backdrop to help them gain nonfiction reading skills. And our fifth graders are in an informational writing unit, writing about a topic that they know a lot about. We have a challenge for everybody at PS17. I am going to challenge everybody for one day during the break, one day during this winter break coming up, to drop the devices. That means no cell phones, no televisions, no computers, no tablets, any kind of device. We're going to be dedicated to dropping it for one day where we are with our children. And what we're going to be doing is sending a flyer home where we can collect all of the wonderful things you did on this device-free day. Okay, our quote of the day today is giants don't swat flies. Giants don't swat flies. PS17, sometimes when you are on the path to success, it seems like all of these distractions come into play that can prevent you from achieving your goal. I want to encourage you with this quote, giants don't swat flies. Don't let the small things get in the way of you achieving your goal. Keep your eyes focused on what you're trying to accomplish, everybody. Have a fabulous Monday.